Hello and a very warm welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Today I have the absolute pleasure and delight to be showing you around and demonstrating some of the features on this beautiful 2020 BMW 840i Gran Coupe. What a piece of machinery, it is absolutely stunning. It's only covered 32,935 miles. Comes complete with full BMW service history, of which when I take you inside the car I can show you on the iDrive system, and on top of that an additional £2,920 of factory fitted optional extras. The car is quite simply beautiful. Now I'll start with the carbon black metallic paintwork. I think it works very well. You still do get the contrast with those beautiful blue M Sport brake calipers. But one of the main bits of specification on this vehicle, which you can't necessarily see, is the M Sport Technic pack. Now this is £2,500, and this consists of enhanced brakes, a torque vectoring rear differential, and non-run flat performance tyres. So it really is a driver's car. Absolutely superb. And on top of that, a fantastic specification. There is £420 worth of sun protection glass, and as you can see we have the 20-inch M-Lite alloy wheels, which do complement it very well, and the car does sit very well on the road. Now I'll just take you to the inside of the vehicle. It's a very nice place to be and is a superb drive, and I can talk you through some of the further specification. So just over here on the door card, if there is more than one driver, we have two-stage electric memory front seats, so that will not only remember the seat position but the steering wheel and mirrors. If you like your music, we have a nice crisp clean sound with the upgraded Harman Kardon surround sound system. And this is complemented very nicely with the full black merino leather upholstery. I'll just take us inside the vehicle. The live cockpit professional system comes as standard. We have a full digital display in front of us. And not only that, you may or may not be able to see, but there we go, you can, it's just flickering at us due to the camera lens speed, but we do have the heads-up display. Reversing camera and 360-degree camera. Heated seats for both front and passenger. And Park Assist Plus. Now while I'm here, what I would like to do, if we just go to the car, vehicle status, service requirements and history, there we go. So right from its first PDI on the 6th of March 2020, its pre-delivery inspection, to its first service in November 2021, 15,901 miles, and most recently just on the 25th of January 2023 at 29,426 miles. You may just be able to see the ambient lighting along the centre console there. Choice of drive modes. The car is absolutely superb. So if you'd like any further information on this beautiful 8 Series, then please don't hesitate in giving our award-winning sales team a call. I'm sure you will not be disappointed, and we're on hand to discuss all your finance requirements, extended warranties, and of course our Live Shine Auto Glim to protect that beautiful carbon black metallic paintwork. So thank you for watching. We look forward to speaking to you soon.